Hello to all of you on the digital dock, and today time for another unboxing. And what's that? It's a piece of a electric kettle in front of me, and electric kettle is a glass kettle and which has been presented by Haus Living Basics. First of all, the front of the box and then the side of the box saying all the specs, and then this side, one side is the English, one side is the French. Here is the top showing Haus Living, and here is the base showing the barcode, and this is the front showing the stainless steel cordless glass kettle and attractive blue LED lighting. While it is in the use, you can see the blue lighting. So let's unbox it. So this is how it looks like: electric glass kettle, cordless, stainless steel. It says 1.7 liter and approximately 7 cups it takes. Easy to see, easy to clean, and you can see clearly all the water which is boiling up inside, and the blue LED just like this will show and indicate how fast it is boiling. And this beautiful machine is by Haus. The base shows the brand name, and the blue LED light gives you a touch of elegance. Swivel base, which is this, cordless and 360-degree rotation wherever you go. At all sides it goes rotationally, and very convenient. Just put it like this, take it out, put it there at the top, and then take it out. Convenient cord storage, safely stores excess cord to keep your countertop neat. Heating base, kettle can be placed on the base from any angle, from any side, this side, that side, at all the sides it can be placed. Boil dry protection, kettle shuts off automatically once the water has reached to the boiling level. Once it is boiling and went to the extreme threshold, no matter what, even it is like this, it automatically it shuts off. The safety system, and this is showing you the extra cord, lot of cord over here at the base. You can open it up, but if you don't want the extra cord, and then always you can trap it like this to make it short and simple to reduce the clutter on the kitchen cabinets. And this is some of the paperwork. It shows 1.7 liters, 7 cups, and all the safety factors. And this is, I think, the warranty card. So at the end of this, the price of this kettle, is $29.99. Very good price for the kettle by Haus. Beautiful electric kettle. And if you are lucky to have the sale days, you can have as low as $19.99 at a wow price in the Boxing Days, Black Friday, Canada Day, and the other holidays. And you can easily get it from the Kitchen Stuff Plus across Canada at any of the stores. Till my next unboxing and reviews, take care and bye bye.